Greetings. In this brief video, we're going to cover the steps for successfully completing the Certificate of Need, or CON, specifically for PRTF services, both in and out of the state of Montana. As a reminder, the CON is one step in the process for submitting authorization requests for PRTF services. For a full listing of the requirements, please reference the Children's Mental Health Bureau's Medicaid Services Provider Manual, which can be found at the link here. Most importantly, please note all fields of this form must be completed, not just the youth information section. This is true when submitting for both PAs and CSRs. Next, we do require all fields be completed for the youth in terms of both their demographic and current living information, which may be your facility or dorm's physical address. This is followed by the facility name, which is either the admitting or treating facility and the MPI number. Both admit and discharge dates should always be included and updated each time the CON is signed and submitted. Next, please indicate the purpose for the CON, either a CSR, a PA, or neither. Next, all three checkboxes should be selected as they represent unique medical necessity criteria that would be attested to by a medical professional each review period outside of the review and QualiTrack. The final requirement on the form is that it has signatures from the healthcare team, including, at a minimum, the physician, a mental health professional, and then the person completing the form. However, if the person completing the form is the same as someone who's already signed, this would be unacceptable for an example. Finally, feel free to include any additional notes as may be applicable to your individual situation. In closing, we have a great dedicated support team available for any additional questions on this form, and they can be reached at 1-800-219-7035. Please do not fax the CON forms unless you have a state approval for an exemption to QualiTrack, which is our online portal, or if you have contacted support to report technical difficulties. Thank you for watching.